going to art school. I came to visit you.